Hello, my name is Jamie Manso Millán. On this occasion, I will be telling you about my daily routine. I get up every day at 4 a.m. to make breakfast and lunch for my husband, who gets up early to go to work. After he leaves for work at 5:30 a.m., I stay washing clothes and doing housework while my daughter are still sleeping. After I finish doing my chores, my daughter wake up and I start to take care of them, changing their diaper and giving them breakfast. Then we sat down to watch TV to learning to about in Spanish in English. We call the grandparents to see how they are doing video calling. We also video call my husband on those times to encourage him to continue working. Then in the afternoon, we go to the park to have fun and not quite so long style my husband orange. We when gets back from the park, he already around we start making the dinner. Then we get ready to put the babies to sleep. I get and do my homework and get as much done as I can while my daughter are asleep. So they require a lot of attention are that day because they are still too young to understand many things. Thank you so much.